Gold traded in range with slight bearish bias. At the same time, silver traded bearish. Now, what to expect today? Which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators before I come up with my next analysis for gold, specifically before US cash session. Remember, today is an important day for markets where US CPI data, the inflation data, is going to get released, and definitely it will bring volatility across global markets and commodities, and hence stay cautious. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold. See, this is the classical channel in which it is trying to. Yes, it did try to reach 1718 once, and in fact gone and went above 1720 levels yesterday. At the same time, 1703 provided a very good support. Now look at the moves there. You can find out, if you just eliminate this noise, you will find out it is trying to trade bearish, and there are a couple or more of uh, candles which tried to breach 1718 levels, failing to do so. Now it is trading with slight bearish bias. Now you can see this is what it is trying to create: lower lows, lower highs, and hence only buy entry today is above 1715 levels. Above 1715 you can expect it to rise. Below 1700 certainly more bearishness to be seen, but how far it would go if it continues to trade on the downside, I will expect it to get the support somewhere here in this zone, 1680, 1670. This is going to be the maximum support zone, and breaking below 1660 it can further break down and it can drop heavily on the downside. This is one part to it. Now let's have a look at the last few candles. Now look at the last few candles. You can see higher lows, higher highs. Yes, once it breaches past 1704, you can initiate a sell position there and you can expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. But remember, 1700, 1698 rather, is a very good support, and below 1698 you can expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. So one thing 1704, second is 1714. Yes, in between these $10, let's avoid taking any position for gold for the day. Directional movement modestly bullish, stochastic comfortable. MACD is bearish, it is looking downwards, it can continue with this downward trend. RSI is also indicating little bearishness there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you will find, see, retracement candles, red candle, retracement candle, red candle, retracement candle, and red candle. So yes, once it draws below 1704, you can expect that we may see little more drop till towards 1698, and if that is taken, then 1690, it can complete the journey till here. 1670, very good support, and if it draws below 1670, you can expect that we may see a further fall, which might in fact take it till towards further lows, that is 1660 levels, which is definitely good support. So first thing, 1690, 1680, 1670, these are the major supports, and then 1660, the extremes out there. At every milestone you should keep closing some of your trades. So sell at 1704, expect 1698, 1690, 1684, 1680, 1670, and then 1660 levels to provide the support there. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, we'll talk about this a little while. Directional movement you can see is bullish. Stochastic is trading at bottom on the 2-hour charts. A possible little retracement on the upside can be expected, but look at the MACD crossover. We talked about this in our yesterday analysis that it may crossover, and see, this time it may continue to trade bearish and it may try to enter into sell zone. There is a possibility that we may see a little rise. Hence, you have to remain cautious here too. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, you'll find, see this, connect the candles and the dots here, you'll find 1700, 1698 should be a good support. See, the all the bottoms or the lows of the candles, if you connect, you will find 1698, 1700 as a very good support. At the same time, look at these 3-hour charts. Yes, I'll wait for it to breach past 1704. Below that, there is a possibility that we may see 1698 levels, and if that is taken, that furthermore bearishness to be seen. At the same time, 1714 is the level beyond which you can initiate a buy, but be cautious on the long side. you have to stay alert again. 1718, 1721, which was the last high yesterday, and beyond that 1725. If these three levels are taken directly, we may see it landing till towards 1732 and 1740 levels, which are the extreme resistance for gold out there. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards, trying to enter into oversold levels. The MACD has crossed over and this is divergent. This is second red candle. I will look forward to further more bearishness and I will look forward to it continuing with the bearish momentum from here. RSI is trading near to the highs and trading comfortable. Now look at the 4-hour charts. And on the 4-hour charts too, if you just connect the dots out there, definitely you will find 1698 1700 as a good support. Also at the same time, if you connect the parallel out there, yes, there could be a little resistance there on the upside set 1712 levels, and on the downside 1698. So yes, below 1704 you can sell, but remember 1698 1700 the first and strongest support. Breaching below which certainly it will bring more bearishness. On the upside 1714 1715 zone is definitely stronger resistance. Beyond that definitely we may see a little fly. How far it can go? It can definitely come back till towards 1725 1730 levels. Directional movement is modestly bullish here, and if you look at the stochastic is near to oversold zone. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell. The RSI is near to the highs there. Now look at the daily. So on the daily charts, see, if you just connect these two candles 1721 1665, so almost if you count 1660 to 1720, you will find the pivot is somewhere here at 1690 1688 zone. So only and only if gold trades below this zone, you can confirm that it is going to hit the further lows. It is going to hit the bottom out there at around 1660 1650 levels. So you have to ensure that we are at the right side of this trade, and right now it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Yes, 1698 1700 should be a good support. Below that certainly more bearishness to be expected. On the upside at the same time above 1714 you can stay long for 1718 21 25 32 and then 40 levels to be seen. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic on the daily charts is overbought and hence a little drop cannot be denied. The MACD is wide divergent. It may converge from here. RSI is trading near to the. Considering this, take your trades accordingly. 1704 sell entry. Possibly till the time it trades above 1680, I will not consider gold bearish. Below that certainly more bearishness to be seen and hence trade with a trailing stop loss. On the upside 1614 levels 1614 levels 1740 levels should be a good entry for buys. Above that you can expect 1721 24 and then beyond that 1732. Beyond that we can expect further more rise, but remember till the time it trades below 1730-40 zone, certainly you can expect it to drop more. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Got the support at 2100, certainly trading below which you can expect a little more drop. 2080 is the next milestone which it may try to achieve and which is definitely a very strong support. Now see how it is traded. At least it has covered the movement till here. So see 2100 or $21 was a good resistance. It breached this and now again has come back to same levels, getting the support here. Below that certainly it will bring more bearishness. 2080 2060 levels, and below that it can in fact continue with this bearish momentum to break strongly. On the upside you can find this zone at, see this, how many hours it is consolidated. 2140 is definitely a stronger resistance for it to crack pass by. Directional movement crossing over for a bullish move. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will find it has got the support here, trying to breach below this 2190 2180, very good support. Then 2160 should come into picture. On the upside definitely, see, first you can buy at 2120, but then expect 2130 2140 2150 as the support and 2160 as the, these all four levels are stronger resistances. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic oversold, the MACD divergent and bearish here, and the RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little less strength for it to continue with the bullish momentum. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, taking the support here possibly, and see the support here same, and it is expanding in nature. 2120, 2122 levels should be very good resistance. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness to be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic oversold, and the MACD has crossed over and it is divergent for a bearish momentum. Yes, it can further seize high, further it can seize further deeper red candles, hence you have to stay cautious. RSI trading flat near to highs there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, so similar is the observation. Directional movement is bullish, it is again diverging, stochastic is oversold. Look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, and it appears it has not yet seen the highs. I'll wait for it. It may possibly give you further red candles. The RSI trading near to the highs. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Yes, 2100 definitely a stronger support, trading below which you can expect it to come back. See, it is trying to trade in this 2180, 2170, 60, 50, 40 till 2140. It has got stronger supports on the downside. Now also look at these two candles, lower highs, and this candle has higher lows, indicating it is still trying to consolidate on the upside. 2160 levels should be greater resistance. Hence, buy at 2125 levels, rather I will say sell at 2100 levels. In between this 25 cents, do not trade silver. Above 2125, expect 2130, 2140, 2150, 2160 till 2160. It has got very strong resistance on the upside. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 2200 levels. On the downside, sell there at 2100. Expect 2090, 2080, 2070 and 2060 till 2060. It has got very good support. Below that, we may see it dropping strongly on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.